I'm going to be doing a sensory bottle craft today for you. So today we're going to be making 3 different sensory bottles. They kind of range in difficulties. So the first one is a water bead sensory bottle. It is made of water beads and water. This one is fun for little kids because they get to make funny noises with the water going back and forth. And they also get to look at the fun little shapes that form between the Orbeez. I like to say they're square bubbles. So all you need to do this one is a bottle, a cap for the bottle. This is crucial. You don't want water and Orbeez going everywhere.
Why not?
You need a filter, not a filter. I always say that wrong. A funnel. This is a funnel. So you're going to stick that funnel right there. And I already put my Orbeez in the water, so that way they'd be kind of big when I started doing this. So what you're going to do is you're going to slowly pour that water and the Orbeez into your bottle. And I need a little bit more water. Oh, need the funnel. I always call it filter all the time. And you could leave a little bit of water or a little bit of room at the top. I didn't this time. So when it's done, you should either have a bottle that's full of Orbeez, or you could have it half full. But what's fun about it is you can turn it upside down and see the Orbeez, the water beads, moving back and forth in the bottle. They fall slowly and they're just really pretty to watch. You could shake it up real fast and it's just super, super, super fun. I love that one. The next
But what's really cool about this is the Orbeez will continue to get bigger,
yes, right? Those ones will continue to get bigger because I only put these in maybe 30 minutes before. So they're pretty small, but they'll continue to get bigger. This is also fun for little kids to see how big the water bead will get. So my next sensory bottle is an oil and water. This one is super, super pretty. It reminds me of an ocean. This one is fun because of the fun little waving motion that it does in the bottle. And if you shake it up real fast, then it kind of all mixes together and you get to watch it separate. It's because the oil is less dense than the water. Is that what it is?
Water is
really,
more dense.
So this,
which means it sits on top. The oil sits on top of the water.
So for this one, you once again need a bottle and a lid. You need, I like to use baby oil because it's clear like water.
But you can also use vegetable oil.
You can also use vegetable oil because it's yellow. So if you like the color yellow, you could totally do that. Or I'm going to use a little bit of food coloring, and I'm also going to use some water. And today I'm going to color the water with the food coloring. There's something inside there. I should have made sure that this was wiped out before I did this.
Oh, you don't want any dust in your
No, I don't want any dust
sensory bottle?
in my sensory bottle. Not today. That might be pretty on another day. So I'm going to try about that much water.
You have to be smarter than the cap.
Thank you, Rachel. I appreciate that. So I'm going to do probably 1 drop of, oh, there goes 2. That's cool. And I'm going to use a plastic butter knife to mix it up.
We were out of spoons, so.
I found some.
That's a nice blue color.
It is a very, very pretty blue. If you can see it, yeah, that's better. So once again, I'm going to take my funnel and I'm going to pour the water in.
That was about right amount, almost right amount.
Almost. Should I add a little bit more water?
Maybe do a little bit more halfway, and then.
Okay, just a little bit more water.
Yeah. Right there.
That's still pretty blue. Very, very pretty. I like that. I like that color actually. So then this, I didn't even open this yet. And you don't have to. It's got a fun little cap in there. Okay. So you're just gonna slowly add until it gets completely full.
But you do want to leave a little bit of air at the top, that way
Yes.
it can move around.
Oh yes, oh the anticipation. Did it just shake at the top?
I think you're good.
So we're gonna see how this one worked. Make sure to get that lid screwed on tight. And I like to use super glue to keep the lids. Oh, yep. New favorite right here. So this one, it totally reminds me of an ocean. It looks very, very pretty. You want to try and shake it up? Yeah. Oh, that is gorgeous. I absolutely love that one. So this next
That
one
is
that we're
really
gonna do,
pretty.
it is called a glitter sensory bottle. So if there's anybody today watching this that loves glitter, this is the one for you. So the glitter one is made of water, clear glue, food coloring, and you guessed it, glitter. So this one, you shake it up and you can spin it or you can just hold it upside down and that glitter just falls to the bottom so beautifully. I love that one. Sometimes when I'm bored, I just shake it up just to see the glitter fall.
I've seen a lot of kids really, really love these sensory bottles.
Yes. Even the parents love them too. So if you're a parent and you like glitter, you can make one of these for yourself. I'm going to make sure I put that lid back on there because, yeah, baby oil.
Yep.
Okay, so for this one, you're once again going to need a bottle. You're going to also need food coloring. This time, I'm going to make a red one. So for this one, you're going to need water and clear glue, which I'm going to try and put the clear glue first. The more clear glue you use, the slower the glitter will fall. I think it was only a little, I think it was about that much clear glue that I used in that one for the glitter. So I'm just going to try. That seems like a lot.
That's probably more than enough.
Yeah. Came out a little faster than I thought. Rachel. Sorry.
No, don't apologize. It's your craft. What are you talking about?
Alrighty. So we're also going to stick. I think there's a little bit extra though. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to mix it up because it's very hard to pour the glue into the bottle. So try to mix the water and the, oh wait, what am I going to do? The water and the glue before you pour it into the bottle. It'll make it a lot easier, especially when you're trying to mix it. Try 2 drops, see how that looks. What do you think? Do you like that color?
Mm-hmm.
I think I like that color.
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you think I should have the glitter before or after it's in the bottle?
How did it work last time?
I added the glitter after, and a whole bunch of glitter got stuck to the cap.
Maybe before then.
Okay. So this one, I really like glitter, so I used a lot of glitter in that last one. That was a lot of glitter.
Oh, wow.
But you'd be really surprised that the glitter doesn't show up until you use a whole bunch of glitter. I'm not sure that one's going to. Do you want to help?
Sure.
Glitter.
This is why glitter goes everywhere.
Yeah, I didn't know that one of the glitters were open when I was setting this up. So of course I naturally went this with the glitter and it just went everywhere. So that's going to be fun. So don't be surprised if you come back to the kids' side and there's glitter all over the carpet.
Or your hands are filled with glitter.
That is
That's gorgeous.
very
That
pretty.
is very
That is very pretty.
We'll
Okay.
give you guys a close-up look like we're doing.
I'm bringing it up.
Order it that way.
So, very, very pretty. Very pretty consistency. I'm very happy with this one. Oh, it's really cool watching it go in too. Oh no, I have the glitter still. Okay, so I'm gonna put some water in here. Try to get that glitter that's left over. Parents beware, this is going to get glitter in everything. I swear there was glitter in the sink for a week or so after I did this craft.
So if you do this, might try doing it outside.
That would probably be best. I almost overfilled it.
That's okay, at least you caught it.
I did, I caught it. Okay. So, we are going to try and stick this on there. So,
That's really pretty.
very, very glittery. The glitter is falling actually a little faster than normal, but it is still very pretty to watch. Oh, I love glitter. I love these so much. Thank you so much if you watched my video today. Feel free to post a picture below in the comments if you do it and you're happy with what you made. I hope you all have a wonderful day and thank you for watching today. Bye.